comes with sexual reproduction, and then one thing that comes with asexual reproduction.
Well, with sexual reproduction, it involves two, where asexual involves one.
That is correct. We'll just come-
What do you think the advantages of sexual reproduction are?
Honestly, I don't know.
Well, the advantages of sexual reproduction are you have more variation in your species that you are creating. When you don't have variation, you can get caught with diseases and other stuff that can kill off your population.
Hi, Mr. Ernst. What do you think the advantages to asexual reproduction are?
I would say that the advantages to asexual reproduction is that you can reproduce a population faster, and that you only need to have one parent. That's kind of a big deal.
Yeah.
Other than that, I don't really know.
That's
What are they?
That's exactly what we were looking for.
Really?
Yeah.
Is there any other advantages?
I don't think so, because you don't really have much variation in the species. It's
True.
just you get more quicker.
Huh.
Thank you.
Interesting. Oh, you're welcome. Anytime.
Mr. Kuhlman,
Hi, Aiden.
do you know why early species use sexual reproduction?
As opposed to asexual reproduction?
Yes.
Well, I think it was because with sexual reproduction, it caused the genetic variation that allowed their species a better chance for survival.
Wow, that's a pretty good answer.
Thank you.
What type of reproduction do you think is better for the survival of the species?
I would say sexual production.
That is correct, because there's more variation, allowing them to avoid disaster. The difference between sexual and asexual is sexual has two cells, the sperm and the egg, per se. That's one example of it. So the sperm will fertilize the egg, which needs two cells. And asexual really only needs one organism or one cell. Like this cell uses binary fission to create another cell, which is asexual.
So this right here is a starfish. And starfish, when a limb gets cut off, it can grow into another starfish, which is a type of asexual reproduction.
This diagram of a potato shows asexual reproduction because it does not need two parents or organisms to reproduce.
In this diagram, it shows the potato growing its roots, and then the roots turn into another potato, proving that it does not need two parents.
Good.
Go.
Two more examples of sexual reproduction are how this bee gets the pollen from this flower and transports it over to this flower and fertilizes the ovaries.
Another example of sexual reproduction is the sperm from the male pine cone goes into the female pine cone and fertilizes the eggs inside.
Thank you for watching our informational video on sexual versus asexual reproduction. We hope you take into account and understand the information we have presented in this video, as well as we hope you enjoy the funny videos ahead.
What up? I'm Paul,
I'm Evan.
I'm Aiden.
and Carson decided to ditch us.
I'm Evan. That's Aiden.
Didn't we already say our names in the intro? We gotta do it in the outro too.
Ready,
That
set,
was fun.
Started, thank you.
stop.
Shut up.
Paul, stand up. Alright. Thank you for watching our information.
Started.
It is started.
I meant start talking.
I can't with you guys.
Okay, I'm going to.
This diagram of a potato shows asexual reproduction because it only has